Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's continue where we left previous lesson. We finalized our about section. Now let's continue with the next one. Before start our project, let's see our original file. Where is our NO? Yep. And let's see the next step. We finalized here. The other section is the services. Do we have any? Do we have any section as a services? I just forget what we created before. Entities, web application. Yep, we got services. Alright, let's see the. Yeah, we have icon, description, and name. Alright, perfect. Now let's jump to the coding then. First, we're going to create our component. Let's create a class. Service with component. Let's add with component. Private read only I service service. I service. What a nice name, huh? Let's create constructor now. Let's create our method as well. Task I view component result invoke async return view. Alright, now let's go back to our entity. Let's create our view models. Add class service list for UI. Service list view model. Control RG public. Let's go to entity. I need all of them. Control C. Let's save it. Close it. We're done with the entity layer. Let's give our mapping configuration. Service list for UI. Yep, perfect. Automapper done. Let's continue with the services. Service. I would like to collapse all definitions and sorry. UI site methods public async task list service list for UI, and the name is get all list for UI async. I'm gonna copy from the previous one. All I need to do the changes for UI, copy that one and paste it here, copy vModel and paste vModel, all done. Now all we need to do, copy our signature of our method to the interface. Well done. Let's close the services. Let's continue with the controller. I mean components. Not user. Why I'm typing user all the time? This is service, right? Service list for UI. await service dot get all list async, and let's give our return value to our view. All done. Okay, component is done, mapper is done, service is done, interface is done. Let's create our view. Let's add view empty default, delete everything. Let's go to our original index. Let's copy the service section. Let's Control C to the default, and let's add our model service list for UI. Control dot, cut the namespace to the view import. All done. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, this is title. Why? Yeah, it is title. Let's have a look at the services. No, we don't have here our services. Let's see the original one again. Yeah, this is the title, I guess. And the rest of them is the services. Yeah, this is titled, correct. Let's close it now. And let's collapse all of them. I'm gonna delete. Oh, we have something different here. So we have empty MD0. What's the difference between two? Let's open again. I would like to see the between these two. Hmm. Empty. Hmm. They have margin because they are on the middle. Not this one. This. Oh, not that one. Here we go. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay, I'm just going to delete these four of them or five of them, and I'm gonna use this one, and I'm gonna see what's gonna happen if I apply for each, and if it's needed, we're going to fix after we created our listing in our UI site. Okay, we got our item now. This is the icon box. Icon. This is going to be exactly item dot icon, and this is the, so we have, let me see what we have. Name and description. This is the name, I guess. Item dot name. For now there is no, actually I'm not gonna give any ref. I'm gonna delete the ref. Okay, and this is the description. Item dot description. Perfect. Let's save it. What is this section? Services. We can delete it, I guess. It's not necessary. Services is enough. Okay, now we need to add our Weave component to our home page. This is about section. But where is our, did we forget to add our component name? Let's have a look again. Share it. Component, yeah, we forgot to add it. Let's add a folder. Service. I'm not copy and paste here because C# sometimes becoming crazy. I'm just gonna create another one and copy paste the inside. My previous projects, I try to copy and paste everything, and it's that. Basically that. It wasn't working. Alright, it's done. Let's go to our home index. All we need to add our service. Save it and open it. I'm waiting my application to be executed, guys. Yeah, this is about section and service section. Plumbing service, but we don't have any. Oh, actually, href makes much more good. We need to add icons, and I'm gonna bring back the href section again. There is a good visual effect, the text becoming green. Alright, okay. Now, when it comes to just h4 tag, it's not seems very nice. Okay, alright, let's close it now. Let's go back here. I'm gonna copy all of them and use Control Z. No, no. Go back here. Let's the copy the href section. Yeah, href is edit. Just make it non-usable for now. Anything else should we do? Yeah, we need to add the icons, but we're going to do it from the application. Let's start without debugging. Okay, the effect is back. We already logged in. Let's go inside. Let's go to admin. This is services. Let's edit. Actually, we have our, but what is this one? Submit. Probably it's just random text. Yeah, these are random text. Let's go to Bootstrap, or we can use original ones. Let's go back to page and index page. The icon is, let's use this one. Submit. And let's use this one. Submit. And let's use that one. Submit. Let's go to home page now. Perfect. It seems very nice now. This is the services, service name, and the explanation. Perfect. It's going very well. So we finalized service section, and let's close everything. Save our project. How many minutes have been done? It's 15 minutes. Perfect. Very nice length for a video. I'm gonna stop this video here, and next lesson is going to about the next section. Take care of yourself. See you on next lesson, guys. Don't forget to like video. If you need any question, drop comment below the video and turn on your notifications. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.